So
Sure.
why don't you talk about what's going on with Joe DiCaprio's business? Mhm.
So, what happened with Joe? So, for 20, so since I left college, all I have done is sold insurance for every year, 21 years straight. But, this year I decided that it was time to make a change. I wanted a little more for myself, a little more for my family, and I want a little more for my referral partners, which mean the world to me. So, done, done, done. We opened our own brokerage about a month ago,
Give it up for
Empire
Joe.
Insurance.
Dude.
So the new brokerage is called Empire Insurance. I ended up partnering with some great guys. In essence, it's been open since I think 8 years. So we're looking at like 2015. But I am bringing my own spin to it, and I am going to continue to build my business around the real estate closing. Everyone knows me, Joe, the insurance guy. He works with the realtors, he works with the mortgage people. I'm going to continue to build my agency around that. I just have some really good options now, and I'll be honest, I loved what I did. I have no issues with my old company, but I haven't been this happy since I tell everybody since my kids were little, man.